Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use the CVS Health Digital Thermometer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser and type in CVS Thermometer Instructions. As soon as you do that, you will have instructions given on right over there. But I would suggest you to go through the CVS Thermometer Instruction, how to use the K2270 digital template. It will have all of the information regarding how you can use it. Right, it's given the whole description regarding the product, how you can use it, what you need, and you can also ask the other contents regarding it, like instruction for use, how to use. You can see right as you do that, you can see install batteries to the thermometer, make sure the polarity is correct. Once you do that, you will also have instruction regarding how to use with given example instructions. Check them out, and that should simply help you out on how you can simply use it. Now when you go on top, you can ask further questions from over here, like precautions, etc., to use it wisely. And that's basically it. You can suggest this to your family and friends as well, so it will be easier for them. Otherwise, that's it. If you got more questions regarding the same, let us know in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Now, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.